Hello, in this video I want to show you how to insert batteries in a Garmin Index S2. And to do this we'll need to flip our scale upside down, and then right here there's a battery slot. Let's open it, and inside we'll need to place 4 AA batteries. Align it with plus and minus so that the minus fits with the spring, right like this. Okay, so now we can close the hatch. And that's how you insert batteries inside that scale. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.